Those that came out tonight, I want to thank Maribel that she had the Puerto Rican Festival today. Let's give it up for Maribel. Es una vaquera. Yo, she was a vaquera. She said, I'm going to go up here. Thank you, Maribel, for the support. Let me introduce myself. I'm Reverend Carmen Hernandez, and I'm running for New York State Committee member on the 85th District Assembly by Soundview. My team is running against Ruben Diaz, the corruption people. We have to get them out of our community. So I have a special treat, and I praise God that my life has been an example. I have worked with artists, I have worked with corporate people, I have worked with business people in our community, and I'm an advocate, an activist, and a youth community pastor for the young people in my community of Soundview. And it's hard, it's sad that these politicians would put them in office, and 11 years we're losing our kids to the streets. And this cannot happen no more. We must make a stand for corruption and stand for what is right. I want to thank Eddie, Gabriela for showing up. Mary, you've been fantastic. Thank you for all the support in this campaign. You know, Maribel, her friends, thank you for coming out. And Stephen, this is one of my sons from the community. So Stephen, thank you so much. But I have a special friend, and he's a good friend of my good friend that I call her Doña Gloria, mi mamá Gloria, y ella es la mamá de la India, y ella es manager, el hombre que voy a presentar esta noche, porque el que vino esta noche es Caché, y se llama Candelo. So he's going to delay us with good music, reggaeton, whatever he has his flow. He's wonderful, and I'm honored that Candelo is here to support my campaign. And he's with Doris, right? Doris, gracias Doris por venir, Doris. And Miguel, her son, he'll take you pictures, Miguel, and Suárez. So I don't want to stay long, and I want to present to you Candelo, but I want to throw a big shout out. Let's give a big shout out to Victor. Let's give a big shout out to Victor. And I want to make shout out to all of you gentlemen watching your sports. Thank you for patience and letting us do our campaign. But I want to really thank Victor for letting us do this. And from the bottom of our heart, we're going to do our best to also help him in his business as well. But he don't need it because he's well loved like me.